Okay, folks, so this is actually a coding tutorial for you guys. So I kind of wanted to go through a little bit about what's going on and what happened today, what I've actually discovered. So it seems that matplotlib inline or matplotlib notebook is no longer working, and I may have figured out a solve for it because it keeps giving me a JavaScript error IPython not defined. If you are running into this error, then you probably are looking into this for a possible solve. So, well, long story short, I was looking for a way to figure out why I was getting an IPython not defined error. I found a GitHub that was that helped me in basically for Jupyter Lab or Jupyter Notebook in general. So basically, I code using Jupyter Notebook when it comes to exoplant stuff. So this in this case, it kept giving me an IPython that's not defined, so it was a JavaScript error because it was no longer working. So I found a fix, and I scrolled down, and someone said you need to use ipympl. So basically, I said, "What the hell is ipympl?" It's a new. Apparently, it's for the new notebook and the new Jupyter Lab. So basically, Jupyter Lab Notebook 7 will allow you to have interactive plots and charts. And I need that when I'm doing exoplanet work because, or else I'm not going to be able to, highlight whatever has a transit or not, or just, if something's interesting in the data and I want to scroll and it just doesn't work. So this fix will help. So we're actually gonna disengage Jupyter Notebook real quick because I want to show you how to actually install it. So what you want to do is you want to open up your Anaconda or wherever you got your thing. So we're gonna go here. We're actually gonna take this off, and we're gonna go to Anaconda. I'm actually gonna run this as an administrator because I always run my anacondas as administrators because they just do that. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to run pip install. Um, so pip install ipympl is basically what you're going to put in ipympl. So if you have the new notebook, it will probably be best if you do that. So basically, you're going to do that. I already have this. I'm just running it again because I want to show you what you could do, you need to do in order to get your graphs and plots charts working again. So once the requirements are satisfied, it'll just install everything. So you're good to go. I'm going to now go ahead and run Jupyter Notebook. I don't know why this is running when I was installing it. That's my fault. Oh well. So going back here, we're going to use this as that. So we're going to take this and run it through here. So it's just going to automatically open a new page. And we're going to load a file that I have already got done. So we're going to load this right here, which is the one I was working on here. And you need to change a few parameters because %matplotlib notebook or inline will not work. You're going to need to use %matplotlib ipympl to fix your graphs. It will work. Trust me. So enter, control enter rather. It'll load. It'll give you a bunch of options on the sources where you're going to get that, this. Basically what I'm doing right now is I'm actually looking through test data for a project candidate that I'm working on. So we're going to use test sector 21, yes. Test sector 21, yes. And then we're going back here. So to use this, zoom, you have the ability to zoom. As you see, it's just noise. And then you can go back, check to see if there's anything. Like I said, It works. I don't know why. It's just the updated version because some JavaScript there. I hope this helps. If it did, and I honestly hope it helps you in your coding world, whatever you guys are doing. So if you found this truly useful, feel free to share it with a fellow Python enthusiast and or Jupyter Notebook enthusiast, and yeah. We'll be posting more, and I don't know why this worked, but it did. I will see you guys in the next video.